So let's discuss now from today the another topic which is more important for every one of you in your daily life. So here is banks, how it regulates and how banks work. So let's discuss it one by one in so many slides with full of descriptive method. So first of all, what is bank? A bank is a financial institution regulated at the federal level, state level or both. The primary role of banks is to take deposit and make loans, but banks can offer a wide range of product and services including deposit account, loans including mortgage loans, auto loans and personal loans, wealth management services, insurance, business banking, credit card, check cashing service. So here are some key takeaways like features. A bank is a financial institution licensed to receive deposit and make loans. There are several kinds of banks including retail, commercial and investment banks. But in most countries, banks are regulated by the national government or central bank. So understand first of all banks. Banks have existed since at least the 14th century. They provide a safe place for consumers and business owners to show their cash and a source of loans for personal purchases and businesses ventures. In turn, the banks use the cash that is deposited to make the loans and collect interest on them. So overall, banks collect money from you in the name of deposit or saving account or any kind of RD, FD account and lend the other needy people for the collection of high interest. So how banks and the banking industry work? Actually, I have told in previous slide, but here I am going to give you the example with information. So banks, whether brick and mortar institutions or online, manage the flow of money between people and businesses. More specifically, banks offer deposit accounts that are secure place for people to keep their money. Banks use the money in deposit account to make loans to the other people or businesses. In return, the bank receive interest payment on those loans from borrowers. Part of that interest is then returned to the original deposit account holder in the form of interest, generally on a saving account. So money market account or CD account, people call it in short form. Banks primarily make money from the interest on loan and fees they charge their customers. So how many types of banks exist in the world? So here we go. Bank is a broad term that encompasses a number of different financial institutions. Understanding the various types of banks matters as they are not all alike in the services or products they provide and the functions they serve. Some are consumer facing, meaning they directly serve the general public. Okay, other play a more strategic role in the flow of money through the economy. Take a peek under the banking umbrella. You will find the following such type of central bank, retail banks, commercial banks, investment bank, shadows bank, saving and loan associations, credit unions. As well as here are some types of bank account. Consumers usually view the banks as places to keep money or as places to go to borrow money. The types of bank accounts you can have with bank may include like this: checking account, saving account, CDS account, money market account, RD account, FD account, credit card account, auto loans account, mortgage loans, student loans. And we will make the videos separately, the RD account and the FD account, as well as with saving account and current account. Okay, we will make the videos one by one with full of knowledge, with full of understanding. Okay, This is the most important slide that you need to look at this first. The bottom line, what is the bottom line? At the very least, a bank is where you stash your cash until you use it to pay the bills or withdraw money. It can also be the place where you get a loan to buy a car, mortgage, to buy a house. If you are running a small business, it may be where you go to borrow money to expand or improve your businesses. But this is the bank which usually works on the interest loans, because it is a circle. You buy something from bank and the bank give you the money, but bank also charge a huge amount of interest from you. So this is a circle you need to understand. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment us.